view, boy. Yo, we are back. What's going on, YouTube? Back at it again with another video. So, let me fill y'all in what we'll be doing today. We got some Z homies pulling up to go to another Z car meet, VQ car meet. As y'all can see, we got the Z, the Nismo, the dirty ass headlights. Still got to get them cleaned up or to get some new ones. I'm broke. I'm finna go start me a GoFundMe for broke nigga alert. Nah, I'm just playing, but got the Z. Dirty as fuck. I don't like daily in this car, bro. I love it as a car, but as to daily, no, bro. That shit it's just bad work. I will be getting a daily soon. That's really why I put a halt on like the mods, because I need a daily, bro. Long story short, I'm gonna need a trans, bro. I need a trans, and I'm not finna go get a trans and then have to wait like a week until my car in the shop, and then no, I'm just not doing all that. But yeah, bro. Currently waiting for the other Z homies to pull up. We're gonna get this bitch started. My twin. Look at the gang out. So tough. Holy shit! Oh my god! Damn! That shit loud as a bitch. Woo! I'm so mad, bro. I just ran Sean and I didn't get it on camera. Bro, I did a GoPro. Oh my gosh, bro. Fuck. Damn. God, bro, this shit is loud as fuck. Holy shit. It wouldn't be Atlanta without fucking traffic, bruh. It never fails. It really doesn't. I really want to see what they're gonna do in this tunnel though, because I know somebody gonna do something. It is a tunnel coming up, but I know somebody gonna do something. Oh my gosh. Here we go, bro. We are in stop and go traffic, as per usual. Atlanta? Yeah, bro. Oh man, look at that view, boy. That shit hard. Just made it to the spot. It looked like a big turnout though, low key. Hold on, this bitch boosted? Oh, that's Doug. Damn. Oh yeah. Fast boys. Fast boys. Oh my god, this bitch. What? Nah, he's sick. This bitch hard though. Damn. Man, this bitch so clean. IPL, it's real IPL too. Got the GTR. Got the GTR. I'm glad. Damn, this bitch so hard. F1 GCR. Damn. Bad boys. 350Z Nismo. Oh my god, they do so hard. Damn. That used to be me though. No key. I be seeing bro on Instagram, but I don't know if this him or not. This bitch clean though. Clean, clean, clean. My sedan on the way. The famous guy. That boy famous. Going on, Cam? Yo, what's going on, my boy? Damn. Hold on, copyright.
37 right here.
Damn. So right now it's like a little. Who car look the best? Make some noise.
Right here.
I ain't gonna cap that.
That purple one right here.
That shit tough. Yeah. Nah, this yellow one though.
What about this 370Z right here?
Yeah. No, that shit hard as fuck. You talking about my shit kind of nice.
What about this G37 right here? What about this red 350 right here?
Yeah. That shit hard.
What about this G37?
Yeah. Damn.
What's up, bro? Hey, what's going on, bro? You good?
Damn, he just skipped the GTR? Yeah. They skipped the GTR. It's crazy. Boosted Z, by the way.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, fuck y'all. Fuck y'all.
Oh shit, I didn't think my shit was gonna be.
Oh yeah, you in that bitch, nigga.
Damn, my shit stock as fuck though.
Man, I did so much ballin', bro, and they don't wipe my shit. Yes, sir.
Damn.
Verify by going. Oh, I forgot. Okay, I think it's the yellow one too. Get a little louder.
So make noise for this pink one if y'all like this one.
This shit hard.
Damn.
One more time, one more time.
Thank you.
How you feel right now in this moment? Wanna go home? Alright, you lost. Man, the man said you wanna go home. Alright. It's cold. So you won. Alright, and then we got cameras. Where's the money?
Hey, hold on, we do Apple Pay transactions around here, man. We got cash.
You got cash. Alright. First place winner is $100. 40, okay, 60, okay, 80, there you go, there you go. Hold it up for the camera. My boy won. Here's
Holy shit.
Fuck my ear.
Oh my god. God damn. Oh shit. Hold on. Woo.
I'm damn near deaf now.
Bro, holy shit. All right, you guys, that is the end of the video. If you liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe. There is more content on the way, and I will see y'all in the next one.